What's going on, guys? Atan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $5 in 1 minute for free. Best of all is you can do this again and again. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on this. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below that you can have a look at when we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at this method. I'm going to share with you also a few tips on how you can actually promote this and make even more money. So make sure, as I said earlier here, to stick till the end so you don't miss out on any important information here. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first off, we're going to the site here, the main site actually, and it is audible.com. It is one of the largest audiobook sites. They have tons of audiobooks here, really on a lot of topics, and now even on Spanish here. You can see they do have Audible on Espanol, as it says here. So they have been around for many years, and people come here when they want to have audiobooks. Now audiobooks, the benefits are of course that you don't have to sit and read. You can save yourself huge amount of time actually by having an audiobook version of any kind of topic and book. A quick example would be that you go to the gym, for example, and you listen to an audiobook, so you save yourself huge amount of time there. And that is also a benefit that you are going to promote this actually. So what we are going to look at, we're going to have a closer look at the Audible affiliate section here. So we can see once again here that it is an Amazon company these days. And how it works is that you advertise, you promote Audible through Amazon Associate. It is their affiliate program, and you drive traffic, you drive visitors to Amazon.com using Audible links and banners. And you make money when your visitors buy Audible products and services on Amazon. So you can see here they have started since February the 1st, 2015. You can earn advertising fees when you refer qualifying Audible purchases with the Amazon Associate program. It explains here what it is. It is the affiliate program, so I'm not going to read through here the details. So what Audible products can I promote and how much can I earn? Now this interests us, okay? So associates are eligible to receive advertising fees for each visitors who signs up for an Audible membership plan and or purchases on a la carte audiobook on Amazon.com. So when someone signs up for an Audible Gold digital membership, you get $10. But look at this. Audible free trial digital membership $5. So when someone signs up for free, the free trial, you make $5 in commission. And for every Audible audiobook, you make 50 cents here. So they do explain actually here in details about the product details. Actually, you can see here the free trial, what they are getting. So you get actually 2 free audiobooks to start. After 30 days you get 1 audiobook a month for $14.95 per month here. Receive 30% of the price of an additional audiobook purchases, and you can cancel at any time. And then they explain also the Gold digital membership, but we are interested actually first and foremost for them to sign up for the free trial, because that is how you can make the $5 again and again there. Here once again they explain the Amazon Associate programs. Frequently asked questions: do I need to use a special landing page? You can earn advertising fees on any Audible sign up audiobooks purchases made through Amazon.com. No specific landing pages required, which makes it actually much easier for you to promote this. Can I earn an advertising fee for sign-ups and purchases? I refer through Audible website. and it tells us that you can do that. Does a visitor need to complete the Audible 30-day free trial? No. You will earn advertising fees for all Audible free trials initiated regardless of whether the visitors complete 1, 17 or 30 days on their Audible free trial. So there you have it. They don't have to stick there even if they stay for 1 day, which makes it very, very easy actually to promote this. Now, how can you promote it? Well, just use your imagination here, okay? One way you can do it is you can go to groups, you can go to forums where they're talking about reading books, and go inside and promote it and say that I saved myself huge amount of time by having audiobooks on Audible. If you want to, or if you want to learn more or something, just hit me up or send me a private message. You can do the same with Facebook groups. There are a lot of groups about reading books. You can actually go the route to create a review, an article review on a free blogger blog. The benefits of reading books, the benefits of having Audible books, for example, audio versions, audio books. And you can also do reviews on YouTube, create a video with some slides on. You don't even have to be in the front of the camera. Even better is you can actually promote a specific audiobook. So you just go to Amazon, you find, let me see here, let's say for example I just typed earlier here, let's say that you want to promote this, you grab this link, you do a review, you say that you went through this and I actually like the Audible version much better, and click here to check this out for the best price or something like that. And that is how you can actually promote this. It's one of the ways actually that you can do it. I think I would go the route actually to do a quick review, a video actually. I think it has a lot more potential. Just go through it, make a summarize what you liked, what you didn't like, and you can find a link below to check it out, so people come to Amazon here and they do a free trial actually. Mentioned also, to be honest, you can also mention actually that you can sign up for free to check this book out. If you don't like it, you can cancel at any time. So there you have it, super easy ways to promote this and earn $5 again and again for free. If you get some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both these channels. Make sure you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.